Bennche Bighorn 700X 4-seater. Rear tire stopped moving. Bad drive shaft. Parts Boss is where he got the drive shaft from. It's just over $100. 19mm, you get that nut off of there. Watch the spring, you don't have to remove the U-joint. All you have to do is take that bolt out with the 10mm. Just make sure you put some blue Loctite on there when you go back with it. And then all you have to do is remove these two pieces here to get the shaft out of there. I did have to use the air hammer a little bit to rattle on it to get the old coupling off. And I'm changing the belt as well. Shouldn't be too bad. You're going to lose the oil, so you might as well change the oil while you're doing this. I didn't see anything online about the Bennche, so I figured I'd throw a video on there.